Hey guys, it's MyLifeAsAlexa here. Today I'm going to be doing another mukbang video. I'm sorry if you're getting tired of these, but I love eating. So, pizza, just some Jack's pizza. So, yeah, some pepperoni. Mm. I did a mukbang yesterday. I was talking about a topic that bothers me a lot. And I got a comment. You know who you are. Thank you. It makes me feel good, but like, it doesn't really help when other people tell you different, but you know. That's kind of how I feel. I really like Jack's pizzas. And sorry if I look bad. I kind of think that I'm starting to fall down a depression road. Like, okay, sorry, I just got some water. And I know some people just say that, just to get attention and things like that. I mean, those people can think what they want.
Oh my god. I just broke my thing when I was doing my fucking shit. My god, look.
But
I was going like this and it just broke.
last night, I started crying.
I don't know, I just got this thing. Yes, I got it at Dollar Tree, but
talking to my mom
yeah,
about everything
broke off.
and things like why I feel like I'm starting to get depressed.
John, so I don't forget, will you set our crock pot out so I can bring it to my mom tomorrow?
The school year is almost starting. Like, it's still a month away. But that's not a lot of time for summer. And I hate school. Especially PE. Like, it's not just like, oh, I don't like to do it. I hate everyone at my school. Like, because I'm not one of the preps or popular people. So also, some people at school call me things that aren't good, but, so, I want to do homeschooling. Like, I always say that, and I feel like a lot of people say that, but I actually, like, really want to, like, mm, I don't know. I've just been down about a lot of things lately. I don't know. Um, but my mom wanted to start me on counseling, and I don't want to again.
John, what do you suggest do you think we should get her into counseling again, or what should we do?
And you probably can hear my parents right now. I don't know. And my dad says, like, oh, it's social media. If I, like, he's like, well, maybe just avoid social media. If I have to avoid social media, I'm not going to school because stuff like that happens at school.
I mean, for her to tell me she's thought about filming
So,
so she didn't have to deal with all of it anymore. I mean, that,
or even be at
she's
home.
that lately.
There's not going to be a lot of talking in this video because
Did you brush your teeth today, Evan? Okay. And you don't have to do it again until you get home to shower.
sorry about the background noises.
I'll go down with you if you do a fast one so we can watch Big Brother.
I hope the chewing sounds in this video are a little better. Because I'm getting a little bit more close. Ah. And my parents want to get me back in counseling. I don't want to. Ah.
Where is that polish?
Okay. I got another slice. These are good.
Okay, I'm gonna eat.
And I'm sorry that I'm mentioning things about like depression and things like that, just, you know, for some people who think I'm doing it for attention or, you know, things like that. The crust is really thin. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about things. And if you want me to do a video about things that I'm thinking about, let me know. So, I'm gonna say goodbye right now, in case the video cuts off. But if so, give this video a like, comment down below video request, and yeah, so I'll let this video cut off, so I don't leave you hanging like my last video.